Julian, let's start with you. Great to have you back on the money. I think it's the first time you've been on in 2022, so happy new year. What did you make of today's GDP numbers for November? Faster growth than expected. What's going to happen in the months since then?
Well, first of all, the numbers were pretty encouraging. I know in one sense they're old news because they're before the tightening of the Omicron restrictions and before the increases in energy prices and taxes that are going to hit growth this year. But they at least suggest that the economy had a bit more positive momentum going into that difficult period than we thought before. I also think that despite those sort of additional headwinds, there's some strengthening tailwinds behind the economy as well. In particular, the labour market is very strong. So wages are picking up and job security is improving. There are signs in lots of the business surveys that companies are starting to be willing to spend a lot, and there's huge scope for catch up there in business investment. And the Omicron threat itself is fading. So yes, we're pretty uncertain about exactly what the economic number is going to be for December and January, but whatever the hit is, I think it will be quickly unwound, and we'll be looking at some pretty strong growth numbers, particularly in the second half of the year, once we get beyond those humps in energy prices and the tax increases.